We have always tried to follow the wisdom of being there when the opportunities come.
But I don't know what that opportunity is going to be next year. You just better be there at the right time to do the right thing.
Every day we have the option, we have the choice about how we're going to think about that day and what we're going to do in that day.
We certainly are going to rebuild, and we're going to come back stronger than ever.
We see a strong future for Vermeer Manufacturing Company, and our growth in the markets here and around the world will develop so long as we put the Vermeer stamp of quality on everything we build.